In today's video, let me show you how to use the Letterboxd tags to organize your diary. So if you want movies to be organized on different tags, depending upon different tags, what you simply need to do is whenever you add in a particular movie inside of your diary section, you'll be able to see the option which says add tags. So you can add in any sort of tags so that you can organize different movies. So you can add in a tag such as rewatch, so that all of the movies that you rewatch would be added into a particular section. So once you added in the tags to the movies inside of your diary, the sections would not be straight away visible. Instead, what you need to do is open up the particular entry and then tap on the rewatch option or the tag that is being displayed. So it is going to only show you the tags that are available for the rewatch option. So these are all the movies that I've added in as the rewatch tag. So you can repeat this process for other tags as well, and as I said, by default they are not visible on the top. You simply need to head over to one of these options, tap on the tag that is visible, and only then the movies for this particular tag is gonna be visible. So using this exact process, you can use a Letterboxd tags to organize your diary. If this kind of video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.